Let me say something that took me too long to learn. No matter how kind you are, no matter how respectful you are, no matter how hard you try to do right thing, there will always be someone who just doesn't like you. And the worst part, most of the time, you will never know why. I'm in my 30s. This is not something I understood in my 20s. I learned this the hard way. Working in Korea, working in the United States, being in creative environment, being in regular jobs, and being in rooms with people I genuinely cared about. Everywhere I went, once there were more than 5 people in the room, there was always at least one person who didn't like me for no clear reason. At first, I thought it was my fault. I replayed conversations in my head. Did I say something wrong? Was my tone off? Did I come across the wrong way? So I tried harder. I became nicer, quieter, more careful, more accommodating. And somehow, that didn't fix anything. That's when I realized something uncomfortable. Sometimes people don't dislike you because of what you did. They dislike how you remind them of something in themselves. They dislike what you represent. Sometimes it's jealousy. Sometimes it's frustration they are carrying from somewhere else. Basically, there is no clear reason, and no amount of explaining, proving, or shrinking yourself will change that. Trying to win over someone who already decided not to like you is one of the fastest ways to drain yourself. I was there too. At some point, I stopped asking, why don't they like me? And started asking, why am I giving this so much energy? Because here's the thing, we all have limited time. Every minute you spend thinking about someone who dislikes you is a minute stealing from people who actually care about you. And I don't want to waste my precious time on someone who doesn't even like me. This led to something else I had to unlearn. You don't have to be nice to everyone. You don't have to be rude. You don't have to be cold. But you don't owe anyone extra warmth when they are not meeting you with basic respect. I used to think being kind meant treating everyone the same. Now I think being healthy means responding to people based on how they show up. If someone is kind, I become kinder. If someone is respectful, I open up. If someone is dismissive or rude, I don't fight them, I don't match their energy. I just keep it professional. No emotion involved. Clear, respectful. That's not being cold. That's protecting your nervous system. Being overly nice doesn't make you safer. It just makes you more exhausted. When you give more than you receive, over and over again, you start questioning yourself. Why am I doing this? Why am I always the one adjusting? That damage is quiet. It builds slowly. And eventually, you get tired of this. Not just people, but blaming yourself. Here's the rule I live by now. I invest my energy where it's returned. 1 or 2 people who treat you well are more valuable than 10 people you are trying to convince. You don't need a big circle. You need a real ones. And if someone doesn't like you, just let them. Not in a dramatic way, not in a bitter way. Sometimes I even think, I probably don't like you more than you don't like me. And that's okay, that's fine. Yeah, just let them. Your life gets lighter when you stop carrying other people's unresolved emotions. And once you do that, you'll realize something else. The people who truly matter never ask you to be smaller in the first place. If this helped you even a little, that's enough for today. Thanks for listening.